Guys, this is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend who needs job, and please like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is my link, Telegram link, and this link I will paste in a description box. Please join it. I have a start job update. First job from doctors BHM BAMS healthcare Pune location, healthcare data analyst. Okay, and salary is 20K per month, and this is full-time opportunity, regular and permanent, and shift is day shift, and qualification need 1 year. Okay, and this is your job description, job summary, and this is all about that. And your skill like MS Office, Word and Excel must have. And how to apply the job, you have simply click here apply now and you have fill the details. Our next job from um, Insight Analyst. This is for Hyderabad Telangana location and also remote. Also remote, and this is job description and all, and then nothing mentioned that more. And how to apply this, you have simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is AI analyst, remote, for remote location, means work from home location. And this is your responsibility, and the requirement is bachelor or above. 0 to 2 year of experience need, means if you are fresher, then you have also apply on it, and if you are 2 year of experience, you have also apply on it. Okay, and how to apply this, you can simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai Maharashtra location, and salary up to 3L per year, and this is full-time opportunity. And job description, you must have knowledge, experience level is 0 to 5 year, means fresher to experience, and a skill set SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and a strong analytical knowledge, and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is reporting analyst. This is for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary 3L to L to 4.2L per year, and this is full-time opportunity. And this is job description, you can see here, and this is your responsibility and all. This is eligibility criteria: excellent understanding of a different Excel feature, and good MIS report. Okay, and how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location. This is full-time opportunity, and salary is not mentioned in that. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location, and salary is 18K to 23K, and and how and this is your job description. Job type is fresher, and salary is 80 to 23K. And how to apply this, you can simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Bangalore, Karnataka location. Bangalore, Karnataka location, and a skill need SQL, Power BI, and all. And salary is nothing mentioned here. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market research analyst. This is for Baker, Pune Maharashtra location, and the salary is 4L to 10L per year. And this is your job description. And the schedule is Monday to Friday. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for a Chennai location. And salary is 1.7 L to L to 2.5 L per year, and the shift is flexible morning, night, and all shift. And this is your job description and all and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is investment banking analyst for Chennai and Tamil Nadu location. Salary is 10L 5 LPA to 10.5 LPA per year, and uh, and the job type is fresher, and this is your all and this is for MBA graduates only. And how and this is your skill and all need. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is senior data analyst for Bangalore Karnataka location. And responsibility is here. You can see that you can see here to here. And qualification need not all applicants, and you can read here actually. And the skill record SQL, Excel, Power BI, BI reporting tools like example like Tableau and Looker. And how to apply this job, you have simply click click apply now and you have filled the detail. Our next job is research analyst, and this is for Delhi location, and salary is 3.25 L to 6 L per year. And experience need 0 to 3 year of experience must need. And skill required MS Excel. And how to apply this job, and qualification need BSc, MSc, MBA, BCA, BTech, MA, BA, BE, MCA all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is data analyst from Gurugram, Haryana location, and salary up to 28K per month. And this is your job description. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore location once again, and this is your job description. And how to apply this job, you have click here and apply that. But here you need 2 year of experience also need. Okay. And our next job is data analyst for Jaipur Rajasthan location, and salary is up to 15K to 20K per month. And this is your job description. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is lead data analyst for Delhi and remote location, and salary is not mentioned here. And this is your role and responsibility and a skill all. And if you need to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst from Gurugram Haryana location. And this is your job location. This is your job description, and this is your skill required: extract data and all. And you must have knowledge DAX, data modeling, Excel, BI tool like MS Excel, SQL basic, DDL, DML, joins, etc. You must have. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you have filled the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching this.